Before you enter into a contract of life insurance with an insurer, you have a duty under the Insurance Contracts Act 1984 to disclose to the insurer every matter that you know or could reasonably be expected to know is relevant to the insurer's decision whether to accept the risk of the insurance and, if so, on what terms. You have the same duty to disclose those matters to the insurer before you extend, vary or reinstate a contract of life insurance. Your duty of disclosure, however, does not require disclosure of a matter that diminishes the risk to be undertaken by the insurer, that is common knowledge, that your insurer knows or, in the ordinary course of business, ought to know, if compliance with your duty in relation to that matter is waived by the insurer. Your duty of disclosure continues until the insurer has informed you as to whether the insurer accepts or declines your application. This means that you must advise the insurer of any changes to the information included in your application up until the date that the insurer confirms in writing that the application has been accepted or declined. In particular, you should advise your insurer of any changes in medical or physical conditions and of any visits to medical service providers. Non-disclosure. If you fail to comply with your duty of disclosure, and the insurer would not have entered into the contract on any terms if the failure had not occurred, the insurer may avoid the contract within 3 years of entering into it. If your non-disclosure is fraudulent, the insurer may avoid the contract at any time. An insurer who is entitled to avoid a contract of life insurance may, within 3 years of entering into it, elect not to avoid it, but to reduce that sum that you have been insured for in accordance with a formula that takes into account the premium that would have been payable if you had disclosed all relevant matters to the insurer. It is essential that you understand and abide by the duty of disclosure when applying for insurance or making changes to an existing policy. If you have any questions about the duty of disclosure, please contact us.